What's good, family man? I'm gonna show you guys how to install the Detailer T-Wide Blade on these CHJ PRO cordless clippers, i.e. China's version of the Whal Detailer. So the blades that come with these are trash, absolute trash. Let me show you. I mean, they look exactly like, when you look at it, it looks exactly like the T-Wide blade, but the blade is not the same. This is the blade that comes with it. It's kind of a thick blade. These are they're thicker than the actual one that comes with the T-Wide, and they are longer. They're just not, you can't cut with them. And this is what comes with it, which makes this, blade virtually impossible to adjust. This piece right here, it makes it impossible to adjust. You can't fix that. It's no screw or anything. It comes just like that. And this blade is gonna be set exactly like it is, which is a not even close to zero gap. You can see that. Yeah, it's not even close to zero gap. So that's the best that this blade get. Don't cut at all. Like once you turn it on, you try to hit the edge of it, ain't cutting nothing. So I'm gonna show you guys. You pretty much, I just kept this for the video. You don't even need this, man. Like this right here makes this blade virtually impossible to use. There's no need for it. So I'm gonna put this back in the box. Now, the T-Wide blade. This is everything. That sits into the inside of this perfectly, just like this. Once you adjust it, zero gap it, and you have a perfectly hidden Whal Detailer cordless clipper. And that right there, those two screws, is what makes this blade the correct blade for this clipper, and what makes it a zero. That's how you zero gap this clipper, and it makes it a hitter. So I'm gonna show you. I've already zero gapped it, so I'm gonna just show you how to. Install it, because it has to sit perfectly. If you see that little, you see the little gold slot. This right here. I'm sorry. That part right there has to sit perfectly into that gold spot right there. They call it the cam follower. So I'm gonna show you. So what you want to do, just set it in there, because you have these two little holding devices, I guess you want to call it. And what you want to do is just set it in between this spot right here, and then that way this will line up perfectly into that gold spot. So I'm gonna do that real fast, and you can feel it once it's in there good, because it's gonna go all the way in, and hear that little click. So you heard that little click. That's what you're looking for. When you get the click, then you start putting your screws in and make sure your blade is lined up correctly on each side, so it's not biting on one side. And these clippers are gonna be just as good as the detailers. If you're a detailer guy, these are perfect for you this is the perfect cordless version, because you're using the same blade and everything is pretty much the same, except for this is actually almost an upgrade, because you have 2 levels on it. And I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. But I just want to make sure that the blade is leveled up good. And they're gonna be good to go. I think that's good. Good to go. That's the first level. This next level take it to a whole nother power. This is a powerful clipper, man. If you want a cordless clipper, add this to your arsenal. You put that blade on there. I just showed you the T-Wide Blade from the detailer. It goes perfectly, and the cam follower fits perfectly for it to be a very good cordless clipper, close to the Slimline Pros, if not the same. I like the Slimline Pros better, but these are right there with it. Like if you want some hitters, go on and get them, because you change that blade out, it is a very, very good clipper. Subscribe to the channel. I'm out.